Hey guys, Bear here again, and I just want to say thank you for clicking on the link or card or whatever I did. This is going to be one of those hidden videos where I just do a quick and light unboxing of both the R7 2700X and an X470 motherboard from Asus. And I know what you're probably thinking. Kurt, 3rd Gen Ryzen has already been announced, or maybe it's even been released at this time. And they have X570 boards coming out here soon, or maybe they are already again released. So why did I buy these? Well, they were on sale, and based upon the research that I've done, these are actually going to be a very decent upgrade from my current system. So what am I upgrading to? Well, I'm upgrading to the Ryzen 2700X and the Asus Prime X470 board. Where am I coming from? I am coming from a Intel i7 6700K, 4 cores, 8 threads, running at 4.2 gigahertz, and I can't seem to OC it past that. And I'm just going to move all of my system components onto this new platform, and I feel like I'll be pretty happy there. The motherboard I'm also using is a Z170A motherboard. So with that, let's just do a quick unboxing and we'll call it a day. The Asus Prime X470 Pro. Okay. Just gonna take it out of the box here. Got some stuff in there. We'll figure out what that is here in a second. So here we have the Asus Prime X470 board. I think it actually looks pretty nice with the white and gray, and I might actually just keep it white, gray, and like maybe blue. So X16, and I believe these two are actually X8s. Let's flip it over. Yep, X16 and then two X8s. Even though there are full 16 connectors, so which is perfectly fine. There's an M.2 drive that can be under here, an M.2 drive that can be under there. I guess I'm doing a quick little overview of this as well. You got your CPU socket, your RAM, power. Let's take a look at some of the stuff that I might actually want to show. Here's an RGB header here, a AIO chassis. Oh, an AIO pump, and then a chassis fan 1. So 2 fan connectors, one's for an AIO pump and the other's for a chassis fan. Got a few more over here. Hi, hon.
Hi.
We actually have a dedicated water pump connector and another chassis fan. And then lastly, I think I had already talked about this M.2 as well as that one, so won't go over that again. And then 6 SATA ports on the side. Alright, so now that we've covered the motherboard, what else came in the box? So what else came in the box? The Prime X470 Pro user manual, a optical disc with drivers, of course. Make sure you go online and update whatever drivers you get, and a cable mod discount code, I'm guessing here. Yep, 20% off. Grab it while you can and post it if you grabbed it. Your M.2 standoffs. You got this. Actually, I really do appreciate companies that include this. These are the pins so that you can actually install your motherboard connectors to this, and then you install this onto the motherboard. This here is not one, but 2 SATA cables. One has a 90-degree turn, and the other one is a straight. And actually, all connector pieces here are straight except for that one piece, 90-degree. An Asus ROG SLI high bandwidth bridge. Nice. I like that they included this. The last motherboard I got, it came with one, it was not high bandwidth, and yeah, that's nice. And then of course you're always going to get your back IO shield. So I'm actually pretty happy with this. I guess the back I/O shield, though, reminded me that I have not yet shown you all of my connectors. So I got myself the PS2 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 USB 3.0, sorry, 3.1 Gen 1s, and then these are 3.1 Gen 2s, and then a USB-C, I believe, which is also a Gen 3.1, or a 3.1. Gosh, they didn't make that easy, did they? You got a display port, HDMI port, and network. Of course, you got your rear audio and SPDIF, or SPDIF. So, optical output. Alright, so I am happy with this. So as you can see, now that we're done unboxing, I'm just going to leave it all a mess on top of my desk because there is a plan as to what I'm going to do next with this system. So if you're interested, do stick around to watch to see what comes out next, and I will see you hopefully in the next video. And thank you very much. Let me know your comments down below, thumbs up, thumbs down, depending upon how you felt about this particular video. Let me know, if you do leave a thumbs up or thumbs down, why you left a thumbs up or thumbs down, and maybe we can chat over YouTube comments. Also, you can chat with me over Discord. I'll post a link up there as well. And I think that's everything. And if I am wrong, I'm sure I or Jeremy will throw things up on the side of the screen here so that you know where all you can find me. And now I will definitely see you in the next one.